You will love the features of this 2021 Toyota Venza. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make the journey in elegant style in this smooth, quiet Venza. Standard all-wheel drive, top safety features, standard smartphone integration, and hybrid efficiency are yours in this thoughtfully crafted mid-size SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, chrome wheels, satellite radio, backup camera. Stylish comfort meets premium design quality in this handsome Venza. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.